Hey guys, welcome back. So Google told me that my storage is almost full, and yeah. So I was going through my Google and looking up all the videos I've made, and videos of various things, and then I got reminded of my YouTube channel, and it was so cool to just watch my own vlog. I guess it's like a video diary. So it was super helpful to see everything I've been through and how excited I was to move here to Maui, and it's just good. Also, I wanted to update you guys. So I put out a video recently because I got all super excited about quitting smoking. So I'm currently not doing good with that, but I'm not giving up. Also, I talked about getting a flip phone, and the reality is, I don't think that's gonna work for me right now. I was really into it, guys. So, um, what else? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna be getting back on this channel and sharing my story with you guys. And if anything, just for me to be able to look back on and just go, wow, I've grown a lot. Me from California to me now is just leaps and bounds of difference in confidence and self-care, and just I'm ever evolving, as we all are. So yeah, I'm back. I'm going to try to keep this up. I'm not going to make any promises, but I do want to get back in touch with you guys. Alright, I love you. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.